Forget five-star hotels. Forget ocean views and rooftop suites. Because today, we're going inside something far more rare. A $25,000 per night chateau in the heart of France's legendary Loire Valley. This isn't just accommodation. It's an entire estate built for royalty and reborn for the ultra-wealthy. Massive grounds, historic ballrooms, private vineyards, Michelin-level chefs, and walls that hold stories dating back centuries. If you've ever wondered what it's like to actually live like French nobility, this is it. The arrival through the iron gates of grandeur. It starts the moment you pass through the towering wrought iron gates. Lined with century-old oaks, a gravel path leads you to a sprawling chateau that looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. But this isn't a movie set. It's real, and it's all yours for the night. The staff already lined up. Valets take your bags. A white-gloved butler offers champagne, and the doors open into another century. Welcome to Chateau de l'Eternité, where time has paused just for you. Interiors where history meets high luxury. Step inside, and you're surrounded by Renaissance architecture, restored frescoes, and crystal chandeliers imported from Versailles. Each room is uniquely designed, from Louis XVI drawing rooms to velvet-lined libraries stacked with rare books. The bedrooms. Forget hotel suites. Think royal chambers with four-poster beds, gold-leaf mirrors, and marble fireplaces taller than you. There's even a secret passage hidden behind a bookshelf. Yes, really. And yet, despite the antique beauty, the chateau features cutting-edge tech, from hidden sound systems to underfloor heating. Luxury here means timelessness, not compromise. Dining like a duke. Your private chef is Michelin-trained. The ingredients, all local, all seasonal, all flawless. Dinner begins with vintage Bordeaux by the fireplace. Then, it's a multi-course tasting under a 200-year-old chandelier, with each plate a piece of edible art. From truffle soufflés to seared foie gras on fig compote, every bite transports you further into decadence. And yes, the wine cellar holds bottles worth more than cars. You don't order here. You're consulted, like the chateau's royalty once were. The grounds, 100 acres of secluded paradise. Step outside and you're on your own private domain, 100+ acres of manicured gardens, reflective lakes, and horse trails. There's a heated pool tucked behind rose hedges, a glass conservatory for afternoon tea, and even a private vineyard that produces a limited batch of wine, bottled only for guests. Want to go horseback riding at sunrise? A carriage ride at sunset? It's all arranged. Here, nature bends to your rhythm. Bespoke experiences only for the few. Want a string quartet to play during dinner? Done. How about a helicopter tour over the Loire castles? Already scheduled. Guests of this chateau don't just stay, they curate their experience. Private masseuse, personal stylist, midnight fireworks. Every request is possible because everything is tailored to you. And with a concierge team available 24/7, no luxury is out of reach. Privacy at its finest. No check-in lines. No lobby cameras. No neighbors. This chateau hosts only one group at a time, which means the entire estate is yours, uninterrupted. It's the kind of place CEOs, royals, and world-famous artists retreat to when they want to disappear from the world in style. Because luxury isn't just about what you have, it's about what you escape from. Staying in this $25,000 a night chateau isn't just a trip, it's a time machine. It's a chance to experience France the way only kings, queens, and the ultra-wealthy ever have, with full control, full privacy, and full indulgence. Every room tells a story. Every stone holds a secret. And every moment feels like a scene from a royal fantasy, only it's real. And it's happening to you. If you're dreaming of living like nobility, even just for one night, this is your sign. Like this video if you love royal luxury, subscribe for more ultra-elite travel experiences, and comment below. Would you spend a night in a chateau like this or a week on a yacht? Because here we don't just visit beautiful places, we uncover the world's rarest escapes and bring them to life.